Hi, today we're going to demonstrate the creative mechanics that we have added to our Project 2 submission for CS61B. Looking at the main menu, you can see that there are 4 options for our game, which is called a Sea of Treasures. While the New Game, Load Game, and Quick Game are standard features, we also added the ability to check whether a game had been previously saved and loaded. The Load and Quick Game will be demoed in the lab presentation, so we will not be covering them here. Once the user starts a new game and enters in a seed, a world is pseudo-randomly generated and displayed on the screen. Our theme for the game is that the player is on a ship in the ocean with the goal of finding and collecting treasure. So in addition to simple player movement, we added in 3 main features. First is the ability to access treasure chests that can either cause a player to lose or gain points based on a random assignment of values to the treasure during world generation. Our treasure is represented by the yellow $signs on the screen. As you can see, the overall score is updated when the player moves and is displayed in the top left corner. If the number of points is greater than 20, the player wins the game. If the number of points falls below -25, the player loses the game. Our second feature is the ability to collect oranges, which are used to help the player maintain their health and heal them from scurvy. The user can catch scurvy by moving onto the green circle backslashes while on the ship. At this point, if the player has no oranges, the player dies and loses the game. If the player does have at least 1 orange, then the character can eat the orange and remain healthy. Our third feature is the random sinkholes in the ship that are in constant flux, represented by the red squares. If the player happens to move to a position at which a random sinkhole appears, then the ship sinks and the player drowns, losing the game. This is represented by the tiles on the screen being changed to blue ocean water and waves. When the player loses or wins the game, it is displayed on the screen by a black banner with the appropriate message. We hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching it.